That person who ignored you, you're about to thank them. Because rejection, if used the right way, can make you unstoppable. You click this video for one reason. You've been rejected, shut out, ghosted, overlooked, dismissed, and you're tired of it. But what if that rejection wasn't meant to break you? What if it's the beginning of your greatest transformation? Most people believe rejection means you're not good enough, you don't belong. But here's the truth. Rejection is redirection. It's fuel. It's power. Today, you're going to learn 13 psychological tactics that turn every no into the reason you rise. These are not feel-good affirmations. They're battle-tested moves from ancient Stoic wisdom and modern behavioral science. And once you master them, you'll never see rejection the same again. Let's get into it. 1. Cut off contact. The instinct is to chase, to explain, to fix it. Don't. Silence is power. In a world addicted to attention, not responding is the loudest response. Step back, recalibrate, let your distance remind them you were never desperate. But silence only works if you also learn to 2. Go out and have fun. This isn't fluff. Joy is rebellion. When they expect you to crumble, you smile, laugh, thrive. Try something new. Say yes to that invite. Do what reminds you life is still beautiful. But what if you could make rejection work for you publicly? 3. Demonstrate your value. They overlooked you? Perfect. Now create something they can't ignore. Start a new project. Share your skills. Level up publicly. You're not proving them wrong. You're proving yourself right. But none of that sticks if you don't master this final move. 4. Prove them wrong for you. Take their doubt and turn it into your discipline. Get so good, you shock yourself. Not out of revenge, out of evolution. This is your transformation. Let your growth speak louder than your words ever could. But proving them wrong isn't always loud. Sometimes the most powerful move is what comes next. Because we're only just getting started. Your next lesson is the one that rewires your emotional brain completely. 5. Be kind but emotionally distant. Smile. Say hi. Wish them well. Then, keep your distance. That's not cold, that's control. Kindness with boundaries is the highest form of self-respect. 6. Don't react emotionally. They ignore you. You feel it, but you don't flinch. You breathe. You reflect. You respond with calm. That's emotional mastery, and they won't know what hit them. 7. Act like they don't exist. You're not being petty. You're protecting your peace. Keep it short. Keep it polite. Your energy is too valuable to waste on someone who won't see your worth. 8. Give them the silent treatment. Not to punish, to process. In silence, you hear your own thoughts. You find clarity. You grow. While they wonder, you evolve. Now here's the wild twist. Rejection isn't always about them. Sometimes it's about how you see yourself. 9. Remove them from your mind. Rejection is a door, not a destination. Let go. Refill that space with books, people, experiences that expand your world. That's how you heal. 10. Ignore them too. They turned away, so do you. Not with bitterness, with balance. You mirror their absence with dignity. 11. Don't beg for attention. No dancing for their approval. No chasing validation. You're not here to impress. You're here to become. Focus on your passions, on your growth, on your light. They'll notice, or they won't. You'll thrive either way. 12. Build your social status. This is your glow-up season. Strengthen your body, sharpen your mind, deepen your relationships. You're not chasing clout, you're becoming magnetic. The best revenge? Becoming so fulfilled, you forget what they took from you. These moves shift your external world, but the final lesson shifts your internal world forever. 13. Don't reveal your struggle. Feel it, but don't flaunt it. You're not pretending, you're protecting. Carry your pain with grace. Move forward with strength. Let them see the comeback, not the breakdown. Here's the truth. Rejection didn't ruin you. It refined you. They didn't shut the door. They redirected you to the right one. So here's your challenge. Apply just one of these 13 moves this week, then another and another, until every no feels like fuel. Comment "I own rejection" if you're ready to rise, like if this video gave you power. Subscribe if you're ready to turn pain into progress every single time.